should be the hole that's right up here on our nose.
830 has
I got eyes on him.
in the process of long line
And altitude. This is good? We're good? Yeah, we may have to go down a little bit. Okay. This line's good. Just easy left for me. And hold your left. Continue forward 2. Forward 1. Hold your forward. Hold your forward. Altitude? Altitude's good. Just hold your forward. We'll go easy back 2. And easy left. More back. We're not going back yet.
That's 10 feet.
Continue your back 1. And hold your back. And easy left 1 to center. Hook is in hand. She's connected. Hold your left. Easy back 1 to center. Taking out the slack. Easy back 1. Taking the weight. 2, 1. Load yours.
All right, load's good.
Okay, she's coming up. Pause it, ready to climb, please.
All right, pause, ready to climb.
And easy forward. 80 feet out. Nice and plumb, easy forward. In a little sway, I'm just going to fix it here.
Yeah. Forward helping?
Yeah, a little bit more forward. And she's coming back up. Perfect. That's good. 20 out.
Aligned as such.
Okay. I'm going to take the safety strap off.
If I can bring my tail left, that'd be good when it's appropriate.
Said if you can.
Yeah.
Okay. That'll be good. I'm going to move her down to the bottom of skid.
Roger. I've got the wires. I see them over the top of them by a bit.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going to hold her up here till we're completely clear the wires.
Yep. Coming over. Okay, you got to give me my forward.
Okay, continue forward and easy right. Easy right.
Oh, right. The other right. Oh, a little bit higher.
Yeah, a little
Blowing
higher.
some dust.
That's good. Continue forward 2 and 1 and hold your forward.
Holding. Here.
He's a 60 out, another 10 feet. I got to slow her down at 2-1 ground.